Welcome to Ghana, my name is Kwabsa. Welcome to our guide on the best places to visit in Ghana. My country holds a special place in my heart, and I'm so excited to share its beauty with you. From the moment you arrive, you'll be welcomed with the warmest smiles and the most vibrant culture. Ghana is truly a land of contrasts where history comes alive and natural beauty takes your breath away. From stunning beaches to historical landmarks, Ghana has something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure in the rainforest, relaxation on pristine shores, or a journey through time at significant sites, Ghana has it all. So, get ready to immerse yourselves in the heart of West Africa as we embark on an unforgettable journey to discover the top must-visit spots in Ghana. Let me be your guide, and together, let's explore the magic of Ghana. Our first stop takes us to the coast of Ghana, to a place that holds both profound sorrow and resilience, Cape Coast Castle. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stands as a stark reminder of a dark chapter in human history, the transatlantic slave trade. Walking through the castle's dungeons and corridors, you can almost feel the weight of the past bearing down on you. The stories of the men, women, and children held captive within these walls are heartbreaking, a testament to the strength of the human spirit in the face of unimaginable cruelty. Yet a visit to Cape Coast Castle is not just about confronting the past, it's about understanding it. It's a reminder of the importance of fighting for justice and equality, and honoring the memory of those who suffered so greatly. Get ready for an adventure, because our next destination takes us deep into the heart of Ghana's Wilderness Mole National Park. This incredible reserve is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and anyone seeking an authentic safari experience. Imagine yourself cruising through the savannah in an open-top jeep, the sun on your face, as elephants roam freely and baboons chatter from the treetops. Mole National Park is home to an astounding array of animals, from majestic lions and leopards to graceful antelopes and curious warthogs. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher, a photography enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Mole National Park offers an unforgettable experience. Chapter 3. Hold on tight, as we journey into the heart of Ghana's rainforest at Kakum National Park. This incredible park is a must-visit for nature lovers and thrill-seekers alike. The highlight of Kakum is undoubtedly its famous canopy walkway. Imagine walking across rope bridges suspended high above the rainforest floor, surrounded by a symphony of bird calls and the rustling of leaves. The views from the canopy are simply breathtaking, offering a unique perspective on the rainforest ecosystem. But Kakum is more than just the canopy walkway. It's also home to a wide variety of plant and animal life, including monkeys, antelopes, and over 300 bird species. So lace up your hiking boots and get ready for an adventure in one of Ghana's most stunning natural wonders. Chapter 4. Ready for some relaxation and fun in the sun? Then pack your swimsuit and head to Labadi Beach, Accra's most popular stretch of coastline. Labadi is a vibrant mix of local culture and tourist haven. Picture yourself lounging on golden sands, the warm Atlantic Ocean lapping at your feet, with the rhythm of reggae music in the air. Labadi Beach is the perfect place to unwind, soak up the sun, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. From horseback riding along the shore to delicious street food vendors and beachside bars, Labadi offers something for everyone. It's a place to let loose, embrace the Ghanaian spirit, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Chapter 5. Our final stop takes us to the Volta region of Ghana, home to the breathtaking Lee Waterfalls, the highest waterfalls in Ghana and the tallest in West Africa. Prepare to be mesmerized by the sheer power and beauty of nature. Reaching the falls is an adventure in itself, as you hike through lush forests, crossing streams and listening to the sounds of exotic birds. The journey is just as rewarding as the destination, offering glimpses of monkeys playing in the trees and colorful butterflies fluttering about. As you stand at the base of the cascading falls, feel the cool mist on your face and take in the awe-inspiring scenery. Woolly Waterfalls is a true testament to the natural wonders that await you in Ghana. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Ghana's top destinations. From the historical significance of Cape Coast Castle, to the wildlife wonders of Mole National Park, the rainforest adventures at Kakum, the vibrant energy of Labadi Beach, and the breathtaking beauty of Lee Waterfalls, Ghana truly has something to captivate every traveler. But this is just a glimpse into the magic that awaits you in Ghana. The warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the diversity of its landscapes will stay with you long after you've left. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides. And most importantly, start planning your own Ghanaian adventure today. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting facts and travel tips.